Recovering from a major knee surgery or dealing with chronic arthritis shouldn't feel like a never-ending battle against throbbing pain. If you are facing an upcoming total knee replacement or recovering from a meniscus tear, relying on a standard ice pack that melts in 20 minutes simply isn't going to cut it. You need consistent, deep tissue cooling that stops inflammation before it starts. Today, we are breaking down the Breg Kodiak cold therapy system. But don't go anywhere just yet. Watch until the very end of this video, because I am going to reveal a simple life hack that extends your cooling relief way past the standard limit. Plus, a critical assembly mistake that completely stops the machine from working. Let's look at what makes the Breg Kodiak the ultimate modern ice pack replacement is its advanced Intelli-Flo technology. On traditional, cheap ice machines, the water temperature fluctuates wildly or drops dangerously low, which can freeze or damage sensitive skin. Breg's Intelli-Flo pads feature built-in temperature regulation, tailored specifically to the knee. This ensures a consistent, safe, and optimal therapeutic temperature without any risk of frostbite. If you find these healthcare product reviews valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel for daily healthcare product reviews. Setting up the system is incredibly simple, but the water-to-ice ratio must be precise. First, fill the reservoir with cold water up to the designated water line. Then add ice up to the ice line. This setup normally provides 6 to 8 hours of continuous motorized therapy. By the way, if you want to pick up this exact cold therapy system for your own recovery, the link is right in the description below. Go ahead and like this video if it's already making your preparation easier. Now, here is that game-changing life hack. Instead of regular ice cubes that melt rapidly, place 3 frozen plastic water bottles inside the cooler, then add water around them. This keeps the unit ice cold for up to 10 full hours, meaning you or your caregiver won't have to refill the machine in the middle of the night. To apply the pad, wrap it comfortably around the knee using the elastic straps. For absolute safety, never place the Intelli-Flo pad directly onto bare skin. Always use a thin insulation barrier, like a cloth or paper towel. Now, here is that critical assembly detail where most people struggle. When connecting the pad's hose to the main unit, press the metal tabs and push the couplings together until you hear a distinct, solid click. If you don't hear that click, the internal safety valves remain locked and water will not circulate at all, leaving your knee without any cooling relief. Here is the ultimate outcome. Many of our clients own 50 different knee braces but still can't find relief at night. While braces provide stability during the day, they cannot stop deep, bone-on-bone inflammation. To get relief that actually lasts through the night, you must bring the joint's core temperature down. The Breg Kodiak delivers that continuous, deep tissue cooling so you can finally get the restful, unbroken sleep your body needs to heal faster. To keep your system running perfectly, always drain the pad after use by holding it higher than the cooler so gravity empties the water back into the unit. We carry the genuine Breg Kodiak system and specialized knee pads right in our store. Click the link in the description below to get your, or head to homehealthcareshoppe.com to secure your ice pack before your surgery date. If you need personalized guidance or help, call our expert team at +1 800 935 0538. We are here to guide you every single step of the way. Let us know in the comments below how many weeks out you are from your procedure so our community can help you prepare with confidence.